So here we are in the garden, and as you can see, crazy looking clouds. And again, these aren't clouds, these are chemtrails. All of this is chemtrails. And you can see, because of that one right there. Nice, eh? Yeah, these are not real clouds, but again, I videoed them because they are showing the twisting electromagnetic field. And the reason there are gaps everywhere is because energy runs in the boundary of a double helix, which means it's running in curved lines. If you can imagine a double helix, that is the energy. The vortex is inside the energy boundary. The energy rotates in the boundary, causing the matter inside to rotate, which is how you get tornadoes and everything else. The energy is actually running around the boundary, which is how you get a funnel. So I just wanted to show these guys because these are now being shown. I watched the Box Trolls on TV the other night. It's a pretty rubbish movie, but they show things like that. All these weird S shapes that are showing up. I've shown it in a lot of my other videos, and this camera's rubbish. But energy rotates, and it's now showing up in the chemtrails. But they were showing it on the TV as if all this is normal. It is not. These are all made by chemtrails. Now, this is going to be a bit of a boring bit, because I actually want to go over here and show you a bit more electric universe theory. It firstly states that electricity is fractal, and so it will create the same shape at any size. And many people say the universe is electric. I am one of those people. I know that God is pure energy, which is electricity, electromagnetism. And so I'm going to do something very, very funny here. You can't probably see it on my camera because this camera's crap. But do you see that there? I don't know if you can see the filaments, but there's a band across the bottom, and then the filaments come up. That is a sycamore leaf, one of those little helicopters. And the reason that it's going upwards and into those lines that you can see here, and that does the same, is because they're both waveforms, electrical waveforms. So you constantly get the same shape. And this is energy moving through the EM field, and how the energy is beginning to distribute itself. And as you can see, there's a lot of different clouds in the sky, because again, we're looking at field compaction, EM field boundaries in the atmosphere that are compressing as the universal voltage drop continues. So different EM fields are compressing into one field, and so you get this odd cloud movement, which is caused by energy. Matter cannot move. It can't. It's moved by energy. Unless of course you think that cloud and this, although the same, could not have been made the same way. That would be ridiculous. Because electricity is everywhere in the universe, and before time is up, you are going to see some quite incredible things. So again, dun, 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 dun. This, as you can see from that darker bit, is a twist. It's a figure 8 twist. Go and have a look for yourself. It's just a sycamore seed. But that's why that energy is spreading out, because energy travels perpendicular to the wave. As you can see, the wave is running around the outside, and everything else, all these lines, are perpendicular to the original flow. What do you know? That's doing it too. Thanks very much. My name is Lee. The universe is electric. God is pure energy, electricity and electromagnetism. And I'm a Christian. Okay, so this is 2 minutes later outside my house. And mainly because I was just talking about energy moving perpendicular, and I just showed you the one chemtrail in the sky. Now I'm going to show you it again. Look what it's doing now. You see that? Yeah. Perpendicular energy movement, perpendicular to the original flow. So thanks very much for that. And as you can see, there is somebody doing one right there, when in fact there's already one right there. So he's literally, where's he gone? He's behind it right there. It's going to be on the clouds now, that's how thick they are. But yeah, energy movement, all of it, all of this, like explosions in the sky. They're all like Lichtenberg figures, because basically that's what they are, energy movement through the EM field. Because if you think that is caused by wind, I mean look at it, it looks like an octopus face with a huge moustache. But that is energy movement within the field. So as I said, I mean that looks like some kind of alien lizardy dude with a big moustache. Some kind of serpent swinging through the skies. Who knows? We are going to see more incredible things than this. Guaranteed. My name is Lee. And that says everything I talk about is correct. Thank you, Lord, for showing all this to me in visions in 2014, May. This is a year later. And I can explain any energy phenomena and how everything is grown. Basically it's all on my vids. But there you go. Energy moving perpendicular to the original flow, as I said, because we just watched it on video not 5 minutes ago. Thanks very much. My name is Lee and I'm a Christian. And one last shot on the other side of the garden. There he is. Racing through there. When really, I actually just wanted to kind of look at that. Oh, the mozzies are bad. But that is quite the fractal pattern. So yeah, crazy skies, more trails over there. All of this, chemtrails, they're now putting it in movies. It's total garbage. Yeah, you keep laying that trail, buddy. It's nasty. Thanks very much. My name's Lee, and I'm a Christian.